Good morning students. Today we are going to start a new chapter of class 7, that is the triangle and its property. Chapter 6 we are going to start. Now in the previous chapter we have studied lines and angles. Okay. Now lines and angles both are present in a triangle. Okay, how? Let's draw a triangle first of all, because the name of the chapter is the triangle and its properties. Okay. So first of all, let's discuss about this triangle. Let us name this triangle as ABC. Now we can see that what are present in this triangle. In this triangle we have three line segments AB, BC and AC. And we have three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. And we have three vertices, point A, point B and point C. Okay, so basically we have some elements of triangle. Let's discuss that what are the elements of triangles. Triangles के क्या क्या elements हैं हमारे पास? Number one, that is sides. Okay, sides of the triangle. So how many sides are there? AB, BC and CA. So three sides of a triangle are elements of the triangle. Then similarly angles. Now angles we can write directly also, angle A, comma angle B, comma angle C. But this is not the correct way of writing the name of angle. So for presenting angle A, I will write BAC. BAC. The main angle we have to write in center. Similarly for angle B, I will write it as angle ABC. The B will come in center. Similarly for C, angle BCA. So three sides and three angles and others are vertices. Okay. Now what are the vertices? Are the corner points. These are the corner points of a triangle. So A, B, C. So what we can say that in all we have 9 elements of triangle. How many elements of triangle? 9 elements. Out of those 9 elements, 3 sides of triangle, 3 angles of triangle and 3 vertices of triangle. So this is the most basic thing which we should know about any triangle. Okay. And in class 6, you people have studied that triangle can be classified on the basis of sides. Okay. On basis of sides we can classify triangle, and similarly on the basis of angles we can classify the triangle on 2 bases. So on the basis of sides we have equilateral triangle, means all sides equal. Okay. Another we have isosceles triangle, means 2 sides are equal. Third one is scalene triangle, means none of the sides are equal. Similarly on the basis of angles, if all the 3 angles are acute, then it will be acute angle triangle. If one angle is obtuse, only one angle, then it will be obtuse angle triangle. If one angle is 90 degree, any one angle of the triangle is, then it will be right angled triangle. So we have 6 types of triangle, 3 types on the basis of sides and another 3 types on the basis of angles. This is just a recap of whatever you people have studied in class 6. Okay, 9 elements of triangle and different types of triangle. Now in this, 2 new terms are coming for you. One is median of triangle. Okay. And another one is altitude of triangle. Just remember the spelling, altitude, altitude of triangle. Okay. Median you can understand, it's something which is coming in the center. And altitude of triangle, like this word is completely new for you. If I will write one thing in bracket, you will understand. Altitude in short we can say height of triangle. Okay. And let's discuss that what is the difference between median of triangle and altitude of triangle. Now first I will explain this to you with the help of diagram. Supposingly this is your triangle A, B, C. Same triangle I will make here also. A, B, C. Now median means something which is coming in between. Okay. Now let's take a midpoint of BC. I am taking this as M. M is midpoint of BC. Now how I can show that M is midpoint of BC? If M is midpoint means BM will be equal to CM. जितनी डिस्टेंस B से M की होगी उतनी ही डिस्टेंस C से M की होगी. जब ये दोनों डिस्टेंस इक्वल है इसका मतलब है that M is coming in mid of BC. That's why M is called midpoint of BC. तो अगर किसी ट्राइंगल का कोई भी वर्टेक्स उसके अपोजिट साइड, सपोजिंगली A इज द वर्टेक्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल और उसकी अपोजिट साइड, A की अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? BC. If any vertex of triangle is connected with midpoint of the opposite side, then this AM is called median of triangle. Similarly, अगर मैं B से बनाना चाहूं, then I will take a midpoint of AC. Then this will be also a median of triangle. C से अगर मैं median बनाना चाहूं, then I can take a midpoint of AB. Then I will connect this. So this is called median of triangle. So basically in a triangle we can have three medians. Median you have understood. What is median? A line segment. Median is a line segment. First thing we can see that it is a line segment joining vertex of a triangle with midpoint of its opposite side. Okay, so this is the most you can say definition of that. What is median? A line segment that is joining vertex of a triangle with midpoint of its opposite side. And a triangle has three medians. That also you can mention. And another thing, that median of triangle always lies inside that triangle. Okay, I am writing one more point, that median always lies inside the triangle. Okay, I hope median is clear to you all कि मीडियन एक ऐसी लाइन सेगमेंट है. पहली चीज क्या है? लाइन सेगमेंट है जो कि ज्वाइन करके बनती है किसी भी वर्टेक्स को उसके अपोजिट साइड के मिड पॉइंट से. ओके, सो दैट इज मीडियन ऑफ ट्राइंगल. नाउ व्हाट इज एल्टीट्यूड? एल्टीट्यूड के लिए मैंने ब्रैकेट में वर्ड लिखा है हाइट. मीन्स एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ ट्राइंगल कैन ऑल्सो बी सेड एज हाइट ऑफ ट्राइंगल. और एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा, दैट हाइट ऑफ ट्राइंगल शुड ऑलवेज बी अ परपेंडिकुलर लाइन सेगमेंट. किसी भी चीज की जो हाइट अगर हम बात करें तो हम उसकी परपेंडिकुलर हाइट की बात करते हैं. ओके, सो हाउ आई कैन डिफाइन एल्टीट्यूड? एल्टीट्यूड इज ऑल्सो अ लाइन सेगमेंट. अ लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉन फ्रॉम अ वर्टेक्स. इसको भी एक वर्टेक्स से बनाया जाता है. ड्रॉन फ्रॉम अ वर्टेक्स intersecting the opposite side at 90 degree. Okay, now in this part is important because अगर मैं हाइट की बात कर रही हूं और मैं परपेंडिकुलर वर्ड यूज कर रही हूं, परपेंडिकुलर मीन्स 90 डिग्री. सो फ्रॉम वर्टेक्स टू 90 degree. So this AN, let's take AN. AN is altitude of triangle. Similarly, we can make altitude from C also. Okay, CN is also altitude. We can make altitude from B also. So a triangle have how many altitudes? 3 altitudes. A triangle have 3 median also, and a triangle have 3 altitude also. Altitude is also known as height of triangle, and height is always the perpendicular distance. So what is altitude? A line segment drawn from a vertex intersecting the opposite side at 90 degree. And like I have written that median always lies inside the triangle. Altitude can also lie outside the triangle, particularly if in the case of obtuse angle triangle. अगर आपका obtuse angle triangle है तो इसका सपोजिंगली अगर मुझे altitude बनाना है तो वो बाहर भी बन सकता है triangle के. So what we will write? Altitude can lie outside the triangle also. Outside the triangle. Okay. So now I hope you have understood that what is median and what is altitude. In short, median is something which is coming in between, and altitude is something that is height and that is perpendicular. So this is the difference between median and altitude of triangle. There can be 3 medians, there can be 3 altitudes. Okay, and median, all the medians lies inside the triangle for any type of triangle, and all the altitude can lie outside also, inside also, or on the line segment also. अगर supposedly आपका right angle triangle है, so in this case altitude lies on the side of triangle. ठीक है. And one extra thing I would add in your knowledge, like you can see that a triangle has 3 median, and the point of intersection of 3 median of triangle is called centroid. क्या कहते हैं इसे हम? Centroid. जहां पे आपके 3 मीडियन मीट करे जिस पॉइंट पे, उस पॉइंट को हम बोलते हैं सेंट्रॉइड. सिमिलरली जहां पे आपके 3 परपेंडिकुलर मीट करे, ठीक है, इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऑर्थो सेंटर. क्या बोलते हैं इसे हम? ऑर्थो सेंटर. ऑर्थो सेंटर. This is the extra thing which I am adding in your knowledge. This is not in your syllabus. Intersections of all the 3 median of triangle is called centroid, and intersection of all the 3 altitudes of triangle is called orthocenter. Now after this we can discuss some questions of exercise 6.1. Okay, now we will discuss some questions of exercise 6.1. The first question is, this diagram is made that in triangle PQR, the name of the triangle is PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. D is coming in midpoint, like QD is equal to DR. Okay, DR is equal to QD. D is midpoint of QR. Now the question is PM is. PM को हम क्या बोलेंगे? As you all can see that 90 degree is here. Therefore PM is, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? यहाँ 90 डिग्री होता है, is altitude. Altitude of triangle PQR. Okay. Similarly, next is PD. PD क्या है? Now if D is the midpoint, then PD will be median. So PD is median of triangle PQR. Now third they are asking, is QM is equal to MR. क्या QM और MR इक्वल है? नो. QD और DR इक्वल है, पर QM और MR इक्वल नहीं है. So the answer will be no. QM is not equal to MR. Very simple question. आपको पता है अगर altitude क्या होता है, median क्या होता है, then we can easily identify that which one is altitude and which one is median. Now question number 2. Draw rough sketch for the following. अच्छा, आपको rough sketch बनाना है. Now in A part they want to know in triangle ABC, BE is median. It's very easy. ट्राइंगल बना दिया हमने ABC और जिसके अंदर BE को मीडियन बनाना है. मीन्स E शुड B से बनाना है, तो उसके अपोजिट साइड पे मीडियन बनेगा. E पॉइंट यहाँ आएगा एंड E शुड बी मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC. तो यहाँ पे मिड पॉइंट ले लीजिए, इन दोनों को इक्वल दिखा दीजिए. देन VE is median of triangle ABC. This is the diagram. And you can write also that VE is median of triangle ABC. Okay. Now similarly in second part, in triangle PQR. अब आपको एक ऐसा ट्राइंगल PQR बनाना है. PQ एंड PR आर एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. PQ भी एल्टीट्यूड रहे और PR भी एल्टीट्यूड रहे. मतलब P पॉइंट से दो एल्टीट्यूड बनने चाहिए. टेक दिस पॉइंट एज P. P से Q पे 90 डिग्री बनना चाहिए और P से R पे भी 90 डिग्री. सो PQ एंड PR. Okay. So in this right angle triangle we have two altitudes. Now next is in triangle XYZ. अब हमें एक ऐसा triangle XYZ बनाना है in which YL is altitude in the exterior of triangle. I have told you if I have to draw some altitude in exterior means the triangle should be obtuse angle triangle, because in acute angle triangle all the altitude will come inside. But when I will draw obtuse angle triangle, and the name of the triangle is XYZ, और YL altitude होना चाहिए. So this will be altitude. Let's draw the altitude first. Okay. Now this is the altitude in the exterior. Altitude from vertex to opposite side. अगर मैं इसके अंदर बनाती हूँ तो यहाँ कहीं 90 डिग्री बनना पॉसिबल है ही नहीं. So in this case altitude will come outside. So this should be Y, this should be L, and we can write X, Y, Z here. Okay. Keep it in your mind that whenever you have to draw any altitude in outside the triangle or in exterior of the triangle, then that triangle should be obtuse angle triangle. Okay. In obtuse angle triangle only we can draw the altitude on its exterior. Now similarly discussing question 3, that verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be seen. Isosceles triangle की बात हो रही है. Means two sides are equal. Now in this isosceles triangle, let's draw the median first. If I will draw the median, I will take one midpoint of BC. From A I am drawing the midpoint. Now you all can see that M is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, we can write that M is midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. Therefore, AM is median. AM is median. Also, when you will measure the angle with the help of protractor, you will find this angle to be 90 degree. Okay. So we will write also angle AMC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, AM is altitude of triangle ABC. AM is altitude of triangle ABC. Okay. So what we have found that therefore median and altitude are same for isosceles triangle. This happens in the case of isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle, that median and altitude are same. So in this way we have discussed all the questions of exercise 6.1 which were related to median and altitude concepts. So you can complete this exercise in your notebook on today's date, and the next topic we will discuss in our next class. Thank you, students.